morning. Excuse the hair wrap. I took down my braid. So right now I'm gonna do the Chloe Thin abs workout. Yesterday I checked my weight. It was 179 pounds. Yeah, so I've gone a long way. I'm really excited. So right now I'm gonna do the workout for the abs. So let's go to the workout. I'm gonna be using YouTube. I already have it set up there, so that's what I'm gonna do. So yes, let's go. Guys, I just finished the workout. It was really difficult, to be honest. Like, I feel like I was like, my belly was crunching, but it's really good. You guys should try it. It's a good workout. I really enjoyed it, but it was really hard. Like, I was even sweating. Look at me, sweating. Like, woo. Yo, like, I'm wearing this let me show you guys this waist trainer. Yeah, kind of. I'm wearing this. So yeah, I got it off Amazon, and my belly is kind of going down. Like, it's like not that much. So I'm trying to do this. Oh my god, I'm still gonna go to the gym later today. So yeah, but the workout was really hard. And also I need like a yoga mat. The reason why I didn't buy, because downstairs at the gym they have yoga mats, so I was like, is there any need buying one? But maybe I am gonna buy. But let me see if I'm gonna do this again, because this is just the first 2 weeks. I'm gonna try it. If I need, I'm gonna buy, but if I don't need, I won't buy it. It depends. So I'm gonna see. I during the workout I had to put on my gym clothes. Sorry, during the workout I had to put on my gym shoes because the ground was so slippery with the socks, so I needed like a grip, so I put on my gym shoes. So yeah, so I'm gonna get on with my day. My daughter is still sleeping, so I'll see you guys later. So guys, I am gonna head to the gym now. My daughter is right here. She doesn't want me to go to the gym. She's been crying. She's like, I don't want you to go. So I have to. She's like holding on to me like, you're not going anywhere, because she knew I was gonna leave, and she started crying. So I'm just trying to like pet her, and then I'm gonna go. I just finished cooking. I made mashed potatoes, some stewed chicken and broccoli for Fred. Yeah, so I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna go right now, so I go come back early, because I have a meeting at 8:30 today. I have a meeting at 8:30 today. So yeah, so I'm gonna try and go now. So that's what I'm gonna do. So guys, I'm at the gym. It's a little bit dark, and I'm really sorry about that. So please manage the lighting. sweating and dripping. So I'm gonna go use the machine, the athletic machine over there. I'm just gonna show you guys. So it's right there, that one over there. So I'm gonna use that.